From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. The House and Senate have introduced their amendments to the two-year budget. The House plan expands the state's Medicaid program to roughly 300,000 Virginians and includes $22 million to pay for the administration of a new work requirement for those on Medicaid.
The fact is that the Affordable Care Act is here to stay. Virginia has to live with that reality as we try to address our citizens' health care challenges, and I believe the responsible approach is to put forward a plan to protect taxpayers and to control costs as much as possible.
The House budget captures federal dollars for Medicaid expansion to fund other things, including a 2% pay raise for state workers and state-supported local employees like teachers and sheriff's deputies. The Senate budget does not capture those dollars and doesn't include state pay raises. It adds health coverage only to a much smaller group of individuals suffering from mental illness or addiction. Senate Majority Leader Tommy Norment says the Senate plan is conservative and sustainable regardless of future federal actions to repeal the ACA. This week, the two chambers will pass their spending plans and then begin a conference to reconcile the differences. For Assembly 18, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 18 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will pay dividends tomorrow.